Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces. Today I'm doing a quick review of this reversible L-shaped computer desk. And first, I'm going to start with the unboxing. So if you are shopping for this desk, you'll have a better idea of what to expect when you take everything out of the box. This desk ships in this long flat box shown here, and as you can see, there are a decent amount of parts. So the best way to prepare to put this desk together is to organize and group together parts that are similar in size. Parts that are similar in size typically get used during the same step, so in order to minimize the overwhelm, organize in this way so that you can identify parts a bit easier and make the overall assembly process more efficient. Here's the drawer bottom. And here's the collapsible fabric drawer. Here are the 3 metal supports for the monitor stand. Here are 2 cross supports for the base of the desk. Here are the 2 filer rails for the fabric drawer. Here are the 2 metal hooks for hanging your possessions. Here are the 2 metal stands for the tall storage tower. Here is one of the side stands for the desk. And here is the last side stand for the desk. Here's the top shelf of the storage tower. And here are the other 2 shelves for the tower. Here's the long monitor stand. Here's the tabletop with the cutout for the charging station. And here's the other tabletop that will have the monitor stand mounted above it. Here are the 4 cross supports for the 2 tabletops. Here are the 4 X-style cross supports for the side stands. Here's the charging station with 4 outlets and 2 USB ports. Here's the LED strip for the tabletop, which requires a USB power adapter. Here are the pre-organized bags of hardware. This is a major plus because you won't have to do any organizing yourself, making the assembly process more efficient. And finally, here's the instruction manual. Inside, you can see an exploded drawing of the bed, a full list of all the hardware parts right underneath, and on the next page, a full parts list. And the manual also tells you the required hardware for each step in the bottom corner. So now that you're unboxed and ready to assemble your desk, the #1 tip to assembling this desk properly is to finger tighten the bolts first before finally fully tightening them. This desk only uses machine bolts for hardware, therefore the metal frame parts cannot be restricted since the bolts need to fit exactly into their corresponding holes. So in order to seamlessly get the bolts to fit, all of the metal frame parts need to be loose. Now there will be many people in reviews that may complain that certain parts aren't lining up, and 99% of the time it's because they have over-tightened a bolt and it's restricting the desk parts from properly aligning to corresponding holes. So do exactly as you see me here, installing each bolt by first finger tightening them before fully tightening them. This will ensure that all the parts are even and that the desk sits level to the floor. And if you plan on using a battery-powered drill to assemble the desk, make sure to use it on its lowest setting to avoid stripping the bolts. Now to quickly review this L-shaped computer desk, my initial reaction after the assembly is that this desk is awesome, as it provides functionality for gamers, home office workers, and students alike. First up, let's talk about the desk itself. This 51-inch L-shaped computer desk is designed to maximize your workspace, making it an ideal choice for small rooms. It can easily hold 2 desktop computers and a notebook, giving you plenty of room for all your tech. And the work area is spacious. The desktop space is vast, easily accommodating your laptop, books, files, and desk accessories. So whether you're working, studying, or gaming, this desk has you covered. Next, let's take a look at the 3-layer storage tower. These shelves are perfect for organizing your files, books, or other items, leaving you with plenty of space for writing and other desk activities. Plus, there's a handy file drawer where you can store letters or home office essentials. Now, one of my favorite features is the monitor stand. It provides just enough elevation for comfortable viewing when you're seated and frees up valuable workspace below. And the charging station has 4 outlets and 2 USB ports, and you can power up to 6 devices simultaneously, including your cell phone, tablet, notebook, and more. And who can forget about the LED light strip? With over 60,000 RGB lights, 29 dynamic modes, a built-in mic, and a timing function, these lights beat and flash in sync with your music. It's perfect for setting the mood whether you're gaming or working late into the night. And don't forget the 2 iron hooks on the side. They're super convenient for holding your headphones, bags, or anything else you need within arm's reach. Finally, the adjustable legs ensure that your desk stands firm, even on unleveled floors. No more wobbling or tilting, just a sturdy and reliable surface to work or game game on. Now, as for the assembly, it took just under 2 hours to complete, from unboxing to assembly, using an electric drill. However, a drill isn't required for the assembly if you aren't comfortable using power tools. But for the average person, you can expect anywhere between 3 to 4 hours for the assembly, of course depending on your skill set, your experience, and the tools you use. The instruction manual is pretty straightforward too, and all the hardware comes pre-organized, which means you won't have to do any sorting or organizing yourself before the assembly. But overall, I really like this L-shaped computer desk and would highly recommend it to gamers, home office workers, or students looking for a desk that is designed to make working easier and more organized. So go ahead, check it out, and happy shopping.